In this video, we're gonna cover how to make a full-time living off of TikTok. Recently, I've helped this creator make a full-time living off of TikTok, this creator make a full-time living off of TikTok, and this creator also make a full-time living off of TikTok. And the one thing that all these people had in common when I first met them, they did not have a lot of followers, they had no business plans, they had no idea how they were gonna be able to monetize their TikTok, even how to grow their TikTok. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know 3 different avenues that you could take to become a full-time creator on TikTok. All of them are gonna be different, and I'm gonna list them out from my least favorite to my favorite so that you know how to monetize your TikTok moving forward and all the different opportunities that are gonna be available to you. But before I could get into that, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you wanna grow quicker on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I literally upload a video about how to grow on these platforms every single day. In addition to that, I created a free TikTok growth course that's gonna help you get more followers so that you're gonna be able to monetize your TikTok faster. You can get at the link in the pinned comment below. It is 100% free. And finally, here's my phone number. Please hit me up if you have questions about monetizing TikTok, making money off of TikTok, growing on TikTok. If you have questions about anything, TikTok or social media related, hit me up, shoot me a text message. I cannot wait to get back to you. The first route to making a full-time living off of TikTok is going to be through sponsorships. Reese's Random has been able to do this, and essentially he does 2 different types of sponsorships. A lot of creators on TikTok make a huge mistake when it comes to sponsorships. A lot of you guys do one-off posts. You do not want to do that. You want to be able to negotiate so that you could get a retainer fee. That's what Reese has been able to do. He does things on a monthly basis, he does them on a 3-month basis, a 6-month basis, and for some contracts, he does them on a year-long basis. And basically how it works is he's required to do 3 or 4 posts a month, or however many posts a month for that brand, and he gets paid a retainer fee. If you want to be a full-time creator, this is how you need to be approaching this. It's going to be very hard to become a full-time creator if you constantly have to be using different brands, or constantly having to be reaching out to new people, or constantly have to have brands reaching out to you. Instead, what you need to do is be able to set up something like how Reese was able to, and newsflash, this doesn't require a lot of followers. If you have 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers, you can still set up brand deals like this where you could get paid a retainer, and you can have several of these lined up. You could have 3 or 4 of them lined up, each of them paying you $5,000 a month, and you will be able to make a ton of money if you're niche down and you partner with the right brand. You guys need to get it out of your head that you need millions of followers to be able to make a full-time living. It is simply not true. When I had 20,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, I was making over $50,000 a month, and you can do the same exact thing with TikTok. You don't need a huge following. Instead, you need a cult-like following, and you need people that really believe in what you're saying. It doesn't matter if you're talking about finance, real estate, fitness, affiliate marketing, music. You could be talking about all these different things. As long as you're providing your audience with value, you are going to be able to monetize it. The second way that Reese sets up his sponsorships is he'll do things where he gets paid for a performance. For example, if there's a brand that he had a retainer with, instead of getting paid a retainer fee, he'll say, hey, I want to get paid $2 for every lead that you guys send me, or I want to get paid X dollars for every lead that you guys send me. And he knows he's going to get at least 20,000 views when he does one of those posts, which means he's going to get anywhere from 100 to 250, 300 people signing up. So he can make hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars for each post that he does, and he can do as many posts as he wants because all the brand wants is more leads, and he's able to do that at his own pace by being able to control how many videos he's actually putting out for that brand. So he doesn't have to dilute his brand, and the brand gets more leads, and ultimately it is a win-win. That being said though, just being focused on one platform and sponsorships to be able to support you to make a full-time living, I wouldn't recommend doing that. Tuvok12 is the next creator that we're going to talk about, and he was able to catapult his following on TikTok to also get a massive following on Instagram and a massive following on YouTube. And what this has allowed to do is allowed him to do what Reese is doing, but he's doing it on steroids because he's getting paid from all the different creator funds on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. In addition to that, he's getting sponsorship deals, which has allowed him to diversify his income. So instead of just getting paid from TikTok or getting paid from sponsorships on TikTok, now he could charge more money because he could do a story post on Instagram, or he could do a YouTube story post, or he could do a YouTube post about it. And ultimately, he's able to make a lot more money by being able to do this, and he's able to protect his future in case TikTok disappears, or Instagram disappears, or YouTube disappears, which the odds of that actually happening are slim to none, but the odds of you falling off on one platform, that could potentially happen, or the organic reach changing on one platform, that could potentially happen. So this is another avenue that you could go. Diversify your following. You need to be talking about the same thing on each platform, but build them up. Build up TikTok first because it's by far the easiest. It has the most organic reach, but once you've done that, then you could transfer over to YouTube, you could transfer over to Instagram, you can transfer over to all these different things so that you're able to protect yourself and protect your downside to make sure that you're able to be a full-time content creator for a long period of time. And like I said, once you have other platforms built out, you can charge more money. You don't have to go to all these different brands. You say, hey, if you pay me double the amount of money, triple the amount of money, I'll do a post on YouTube, Instagram, and I'll do a post on TikTok, and this is gonna allow you to make way more money from social media. In addition to that, I do want to emphasize, Tuvok12, just like you guys watching this video right now, a year ago was a small creator. He had no followers. He didn't know how he was going to monetize his social media. He didn't even know how he was going to grow. But in one post, he was able to change his life. And he was able to change his life by finding a viral post and then continuing to do it over and over and over again. If you look at his content, it's not all drastically different. He found one format that works, he changes it out for different sports, and he continues to do it. And this has allowed him to get many sponsorship deals. This has allowed him to get a ton of different things. Now, I do want to warn you, getting sponsorship deals is not my favorite way of becoming a full-time creator. It's not my favorite way to be able to monetize your social media. In fact, I think it's a pretty dumb way to monetize social media. You're relying on somebody else. The point of growing a following on social media, the point of growing a brand is to be in control of your own destiny. If you want to choose how many hours you work, you want to choose how many posts you want to put out, you want to choose how much money you want to make, well, then you need to be in control of your own destiny. And I'm going to share with you how you could do that with this last example, which was able to build up a business in addition to a personal brand, which eventually he can sell the business. He gets recurring revenue. It doesn't matter if TikTok disappears tomorrow, this next creator is still going to make recurring revenue because he's got customers that pay him every single month and he constantly has new customers coming in. And for that reason, this is going to be my final and favorite way for you to be able to monetize your social media. This creator right here has become the #1 creator in the credit niche, and they've built a huge business, a recurring revenue business, where he's able to book clients by not even posting about what he does on social media. He simply puts out the best content around credit cards, around travel. He puts out the best content around that so he could get as many views as possible. And simply in the link in his bio, he has a link to a consultation, and guess what? He signs a ton of clients every single month. He gets on a consultation phone call with them. He's able to sign them as recurring clients, and he's able to get clients every single day. He's able to book calls every single day simply by putting out content on TikTok. And guess how much money he spent on ads? $0. Guess how big his overhead is? It's not very big. And guess how confident he is going into a recession, going into poor economic times, that his business is going to continue to do well. He's very confident. Why? One, because he's not focused on running a ton of ads. He doesn't have a huge amount of overhead, and he has recurring customers. Instead of just selling one-off products or selling off a one-off sponsorship, he was able to build up a business that could eventually be sold because he has a list of clients and he has a real business where he's not doing all the work. He's got other people doing the work. He's creating content for it. And on top of this, he's able to partner with different people. He's able to do different brand sponsorships, and he could just make additional money. Instead of relying on a brand sponsorship, he's able to do a brand sponsorship if he wants to be able to make extra money. Maybe he wants to buy a nicer car, buy a nicer house, take his family on vacation, or he just wants to do a brand sponsorship to make some more money because it's something that aligns with his brand. Well, guess what? He's able to do that because he built up a real business on TikTok by simply talking about something, and you can do the same exact thing. If you're in finance, you're in real estate, you're in fashion, you're in fitness, you're in affiliate marketing, you're in music, if you're in any of these fields, any niche possible, you're able to build a product around it. You're able to then provide people with value. You're able to build up some kind of consultation practice, provide some kind of service, or maybe even sell a product, and you can do the same exact thing. All of that being said, if you want to be able to make a full-time living off of TikTok, first, you need to be able to grow your TikTok, be able to get more views, get more followers, and I want to guarantee that I can help you do this. Every single one of the creators that you saw in this video, I helped them grow on TikTok from when they had no followers to where they are now. I helped them build up their business. We consulted on all of that, and I want to do the same exact thing for you. In fact, I want to guarantee that I can help you grow on TikTok by telling you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags use, and so much more. If that sounds interesting to you, then keep watching this video. The opportunity to grow on TikTok and this organic reach is not going to last forever, and the only thing separating you from the creators that I mentioned in this video is one, that you haven't implemented the steps from this video yet, and two, you haven't gotten into my mentorship program where I literally guarantee that I can help you grow on TikTok. If you register for this program, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, and I'm going to critique your content for 30 days in order to guarantee that you grow on TikTok. You heard that right. If you don't grow on TikTok in this program, you get your money back, 0 questions asked. The average person that has joined the program in the last 30 days gained over 50,000 followers, and the lowest amount of followers anybody has ever gained in the program is 6,500 followers. If you want results like that, and I'm guessing that since you're still watching this video, you're probably above average, so you probably see more than 50,000 followers in just 30 days, no matter what niche you're in, no matter what background you're from, none of that stuff matters. The only thing that matters is you need a social media coach. You need somebody telling you what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, so that you get results faster and you get results a lot easier. If that sounds interesting, go to the link in the description below. There are limited spots available, and the price is going to be going up in 2022, so please make sure you check this out. This is the the same exact program Joel Magician used to gain over 16 million followers, that AvMoves used to gain over 14 million followers, that Tuvok used to gain over 10 million followers, and thousands of other creators. I'm telling you guys, this opportunity is not going to last forever. If you want to take advantage of TikTok, you need to invest in, I'm telling you guys, this opportunity is not going to last forever. If you want to take advantage of TikTok, you need to invest in this before the price goes up, before there are no spots available, so that you can guarantee that you grow on TikTok. At the end of the day, you have absolutely nothing to lose. You're either going to grow on TikTok or you are going to get your money back, zero questions asked. Go to the link in the description and sign up right now before spots run out. And by the way, if you're not interested in that, just check out the 2 videos I'm going to put up on the screen because they're the videos that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.